With the economy in the state that it is right now, everyone is scrambling to find the best way to invest their money. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the best cryptocurrencies to invest your money in right now. Before we get started, we just need to let you know that we're not financial advisors. The opinions reflected in this video are ours, and you are more than welcome to agree or disagree with them. This video is merely for entertainment purposes, and we ask that you do your due diligence before making any financial decisions. Many people think that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance. The currency exists online and uses cryptography, blockchain technology, and computer networks to track the value and ownership. Digital currencies offer great long-term gains for the most part, and unlike most other investments like the stock market, you can cash them out at any time, day or night. The fees associated with cryptocurrencies are low in comparison to other investments, and the blockchain provides investors with complete transparency as the transactions are recorded in great detail. Digital currencies are also a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio in order to reduce your investment risks. Spreading out your investments over multiple categories can give you a form of relief if one of them happens to fail, so you'll have something to fall back on in that situation. With the recent events in the world, it's definitely wise to spread your money out because we have seen things that could be rough in the financial world. As the saying goes, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency and not just buy, sell, or trade, then you have a few different options available to you. Investors have the option to choose between the GBTC trust sold on the stock market, a cryptocurrency IRA, or an exchange broker wallet hybrid like Coinbase GDAX, which allows customers to buy and sell actual cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is by far the most popular and well-known cryptocurrency, but there are thousands out there to choose from. We've compiled a list of 10 cryptocurrencies and platforms that we think would give investors like you a great return as long-term investment opportunities. The first cryptocurrency on our list that we think would be a good pick as a long-term investment is Bitcoin, of course. It's been around since January of 2009, giving investors 11 years to become familiar with it, unlike many other digital currencies which are newer and less well-known. They have developed a following and become a household name in that time period. Even with the market and economy the way it is right now, Bitcoin continues to grow. In fact, experts predict that in the coming years, a lot more investors are going to flock to Bitcoin as a solid addition to their portfolio. Prominent investors and analysts in the industry now expect Bitcoin to hit 50,000 and secure a $1 trillion market cap in the next several years, and that's exciting news for those individuals who are looking to invest in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is said to even become the new gold due to its increasing value. Also, Bloomberg just released a report recently, and it stated that Bitcoin is an asset that could dramatically appreciate in 2020. Sure, Bitcoin could be volatile just like any other investment, but there's a lot of evidence that in the long term this could be quite the investment. As of writing this script, the cost of one Bitcoin is $9,428.08. The second cryptocurrency on our list that we think would be a good pick as a long-term investment is Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency platform by market capitalization behind Bitcoin, and it was launched in 2015. Ethereum defines Ether as its cryptocurrency. You can transfer Ether between accounts or earn it by doing work of adding blocks to the Ethereum blockchain. To keep the mining a fair process, Ethereum uses the complexity value that makes the mining process even harder as miners get faster. Adjusting the complexity allows Ethereum to regulate the new block frequency to an average of 1 new block per every 14 seconds. Ethereum's price plunged in March of this year, just like most other things, but since then it's been on a steady rise and is predicted to keep going for years to come. At the time of writing this script, the cost of Ethereum is $231.72. The third cryptocurrency on our list that we think would be a good pick as a long-term investment is Ripple. Ripple is the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, followed by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple was released in 2012 and is both a platform and a currency. The Ripple platform is an open-source peer-to-peer system designed to allow fast and cheap transactions using its own currency known as XRP. The digital currency XRP acts as a bridge currency to other currencies. It does not discriminate between one cryptocurrency and another, therefore it makes it easy to exchange, transactions only take seconds, and it costs only a small amount. As of writing this script, the cost of Ripple XRP is only 19 cents. The fourth cryptocurrency on our list that we think is a good pick as a long-term investment is Neo. Neo, formerly known as Ant Shares, is a Chinese community-based project that uses blockchains and digital technology to digitize money formed in 2014. It's not widely known, but it is commonly referred to as the Chinese Ethereum. Neo is backed by the Chinese government, but it's also gaining popularity around the globe. In fact, it's predicted by experts to rise to the point where it's in the top 5 cryptocurrencies in which to invest in by the year 2023, therefore making it a good long-term investment opportunity. As of writing this script, the cost per token of Neo is 10.58. The fifth cryptocurrency on our list that we think is a good pick as a long-term investment is EOS. EOS was launched in 2018, making it one of the newer digital currencies out there right now. EOS is modeled around Ethereum, so it also offers a platform where users can build decentralized applications. Also, its initial coin value was one of the longest and profitable in history, bringing in $4 billion in investor funds through crowdsourcing last year. Experts predict that the price of EOS is only going to go up in the next few years, making it a good investment in the long run. As of writing this script, the cost of EOS is $2.55 per US dollar. The sixth cryptocurrency on our list that we think would be a good pick as a long-term investment is Litecoin. Litecoin was launched in 2011 and was referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Litecoin is very popular among investors and has a high trade volume, so you won't have a lot of trouble finding a buyer if you try to sell it. While inspired by and technically almost identical to Bitcoin, transactions with Litecoin are 4 times faster and cheaper. In fact, it's even possible for Litecoin to exceed the market value of Bitcoin in the future. At the time of writing this script, the cost of Litecoin is $43.45 per US dollar. The seventh cryptocurrency on our list that we think would be a good pick as a long-term investment is Manero. Manero is an open-source, privacy-oriented cryptocurrency that is built and operates on the blockchain concept. Manero supports a mining process where individuals get rewarded for their activities by joining mining pools, or they can mine Moneros individually. Manero mining can be performed on a standard computer and does not need any specific hardware, such as the application-specified integrated circuits. It also provides users with complete anonymity, which appeals to many people. Experts suggest that Manero will continue to rise in the upcoming years as well. At the time of writing this script, the price of Manero is $65.09. The eighth cryptocurrency on our list that we think is a good pick as a long-term investment is Cardano. Cardano is one of the newer platforms out there, formed in 2015, and it's the world's first peer-reviewed blockchain. Cardano is home to the ADA cryptocurrency, which can be used to send and receive digital funds. This digital cash represents the future of money, making possible fast, direct transfers that are guaranteed to be secure through the use of cryptography. Many experts believe that Cardano will gain popularity in the coming years and will be a good investment for the long term. At the time of writing this script, the price of Cardano is only 8 cents. The ninth cryptocurrency on our list that we think is a good pick as a long-term investment is Dash. Dash was launched in January of 2014 as Xcoin and quickly changed its name to Darkcoin. In March 2015, Darkcoin was rebranded as Dash. Dash was created as a fork of Bitcoin, which means it's duplicated Bitcoin's existent code and made it better by addressing the issues users face with Bitcoin. Unlike Bitcoin, when you use Dash, your transactions can be finalized in seconds rather than a few hours. Experts believe that with a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 85.97% for Dash. As of the time of writing this script, the price of Dash is $72.19. The 10th and final cryptocurrency on our list that we think is a good pick as a long-term investment is Stellar. Stellar was formed in 2014. The Stellar network is a blockchain-based distributed ledger network that connects banks, payment systems, and people to make easy, low-cost, cross-asset transfers of value, including payments. Stellar has its own cryptocurrency called Lumens, or XLM. One distinctive characteristic of Stellar is that it serves as a backbone for other cryptocurrencies. Stellar is predicted to rise steadily in the next few years. In fact, according to CoinSwitch, Stellar has the potential to grow out to be one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the next 5 years. Stellar is one of the most affordable cryptocurrencies to invest in right now, and the current price is sitting at only 7 cents. To recap, in this video we discussed our top 10 picks of cryptocurrencies to invest in right now for decent long-term gains. Our first pick was Bitcoin, which is the most well-known and popular of the cryptocurrencies. Our second pick was Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency platform by market capitalization. Our third pick was Ripple, which is the third largest cryptocurrency platform by market cap and uses its own currency known as XRP. Our fourth pick was Neo, which is commonly referred to as the Chinese Ethereum. Our fifth pick was EOS, one of the newest cryptocurrency platforms formed in 2018. Our sixth pick was Litecoin, commonly known as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Our seventh pick was Manero, which provides users with complete anonymity. Our eighth pick was Cardano, which uses its own currency known as ADA. Our ninth pick was Dash, which you can finalize your transaction in mere seconds. And our 10th and final pick was Stellar, which is one of the most affordable cryptocurrencies to invest in right now. Investing in anything, whether it's cryptocurrencies, stocks, bonds, real estate, or gold, always can carry some risks. None of these suggestions are foolproof, and they're simply our personal opinions from the research that we conducted. You may agree or disagree with our choices, and we would actually enjoy it if you would leave a comment below to let us know your opinions too. We promise that we'll respond to your comments as soon as we can. Again, we'd just like to reiterate that we're not financial advisors. This video is merely for entertainment purposes, and we ask that you do your due diligence before making any financial decisions. We make videos like this to help everyone like us save money or take advantage of any existing opportunities out there to gain financial freedom. For more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified of our latest videos.